Do you wake up in the middle of the night with neck pain? Maybe you're that person who has 5, 10, maybe 15 pillows in your closet. You've tried everything and nothing seems to help that neck pain during the night while you're trying to sleep. And maybe you get up in the morning and you have a lot of discomfort in your neck. Well, I've been a PT for 34 years and patients ask me this question all the time. What is the best pillow for my neck so that I can sleep better at night? And to be honest with you, there is no one pillow that is going to work for everybody out there because we're all made differently and our beds are also made differently. And so you have to match your body with the bed and match your body with the pillow. And so today what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a no-cost tip on how to help yourself at night when you're trying to sleep a little bit better. But the first thing you need to understand is that the spine likes to be in a neutral position. Doesn't matter if you're standing, if you're sitting, or if you're lying down on your back or on your side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of demo what that neck can look like when you're sleeping at night. We'll show you a little tip on how we can make this a little bit better. Okay, so when you lie down, let's say, for example, I have this pillow here and I'm in this position. You're going to notice that there is this gap right here, okay? And this gap is not good. We want your spine to be straight, and it's okay, like this might look like it's straight, but what's happening is gravity is pushing down, trying to make my spine turn this way. So not only is it compressing the joints on this part of my neck, but it is overstretching the muscles on the bottom side. So during the night, there's this constant pressure in this part of your neck. So the key here is to try to fill in the gaps. Now, if you have a large pillow like this, you'll see that it kind of turns my spine this way. And that's not going to be comfortable when the evening is done or you wake up in the morning. If you take a small pillow like this one and your head falls down into it, you're also going to get this downward curve. So what you want is you want a pillow that is going to, when your head is on it, maintain a nice spinal alignment, but fill this gap over here, okay? And so one way to do this is to take a pillow that is not too thin, but not too thick, kind of like this. So if we were to compare the two of these, you'll see that this one here is quite a bit thicker than this one. This is a good size medium pillow, okay? If you're really broad-shouldered, then you will do well with a pillow like this. If your bed is really soft and your body sinks into it a lot, you may do better with a pillow like this because this is going to prop your head up too high because your head doesn't sink into the bed as well as your body does, okay? So what I'm going to do is show you a real easy tip and trick here that can make life a lot better. And I'll tell you, if there's anything I tell my patients sometimes is this little trick, and they come back getting some really good relief out of this, and it doesn't cost much. You essentially take a towel like this, and I've got two of them because I started with a smaller one like that. You should always start with, something that's a little bit smaller. If you feel like you need a little bit more, then you can always take another one and wrap it like this. What I tell people to do is take some tape and tape it where my fingers are so that it just doesn't come unraveled at night. Take the towel, slide it into your pillow closer to one edge like this. Okay, so now you can see that the head is going to sit here, the neck will come over this, especially if you're a side sleeper or back sleeper. So what I'm going to do here is just demo for you how this is going to take up the space. The nice thing about this also is that you can move this neck piece wherever you would like. Okay, so once it's in your pillow, you can find where you like that to be. And as you can see, this is now putting a little bit of pressure on this part of my neck and taking up that long pressure and what gravity is doing to your neck all night long and giving it a rest while and I have my glasses on, but if I take those off, you'll see that my neck is in a much better position. It's nicely aligned. I'm going to sleep a lot better that way just because it is arresting this part of my neck. Now, if I were to turn onto my back, same thing. We have this natural curve in our neck that goes up like this. Gravity is always wanting to push it down. You nestle that towel right into that part, and then you'll have a nice neutral position, and that'll be significantly more comfortable. Like I said, you can adjust the thickness of the towel And you can also change the position of where it's at so that you can find that comfort spot. Then you can go out and shop for a pillow that may simulate that. It may be a contoured pillow. It may be a certain type of pillow with, gel or memory foam in it, something that takes up space, but also keeps your head and neck in a good spinal alignment. So I hope that tip was helpful. I hope you get a better night's sleep tonight. If you did enjoy that video, please give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. Thanks.